North, south, east, or west? Which way do I face my hives? Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome to day 8 in the Beekeeping Tip of the Day series. Today we're talking about which direction that you should face your hives. This is a question that I get all the time. I would say the short answer to it is it kind of doesn't matter during the season, and it might matter a little bit during the winter time. So during the regular bee season, you're going to be, for me anyway, we're moving hives around. There's always something going from point A to point B. You might have a pallet, and on that pallet, you've got hives facing 4 different directions. You drop the pallet wherever you got to drop the pallet. It's there for a few weeks. You pick it up, you go somewhere else, and it's going to be in a different orientation. It kind of doesn't matter. Where it does make a difference is if you are in an area, let's say, for example, in like most of the U.S., we're in the prevailing westerlies. So most of our winds and our storms, they're coming out of the west, the southwest, the northwest. So in the wintertime, it's really, really nice if you cannot have a cold breeze, driving into the hives over the wintertime. It's nice if there's a bad storm, if it's not blowing a driving rain into the front entrance. So very generically, I like to keep mine facing south, southeast, maybe due east, maybe northeast, but something towards the easterly side of things. And that just seems to work pretty well for me. I've noticed there's more activity when the sun is shining on the hive. So facing them to the east, sometimes that sun will come right into the front entrance. And it's kind of like a wake-up call. It's like the reveille, to let everybody know it's time to get going. So that's kind of what I do, and it works pretty well for me. If you have a different way of doing things, feel free to drop a comment. Let us know what you're doing. If you wouldn't mind, just real gently tap that like button for us. And please consider subscribing if you found any value to the video. We'd like to get more people involved and want everybody to be as educated as possible in the beekeeping world. Outside of that, have a happy day. Take care of yourself. Be kind to one another. Remember, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. We'll talk to you soon.